battle begin sa ating seniors division between the Black Ducks versus the defending champion, ang Bad Boys Tangerine. Let's go! Alright, magsisimula na tayo sa ating laban. Good luck mga idol. First ball, makakukuha ng defending champion, Alvin Novio. Pass to Shaquille from the elbow three, and first basket para sa defending champion, Shaquille Arsiaga. Cardenas, pass to Jola. Oh, still. Here comes Shaquille. Shaquille from elbow three. Another 3-point. Back-to-back 3-point para kay Shaquille Arsiaga. Here comes LA. Atin sa gustong makabawi. Short niya lang yun. Ayun na, rebound ng defending champion. Arsiaga, pass to Alvin. Alvin binigay, Rombines, too strong. Rebound by Jola. Pass to Chodoro. Chodoro nagmamadali. Chodoro. Ayun na. Jeng binigay from the corner. LA to Cardenas from elbow 3. In and out. Rebound by Cachapero. Bola rito ng defending champion, Alvin. Pass to Shaquille. Tumira sa tres. Wala. Rebound and putback para kay Patrick Cachapero, ang ating defending final MVP last season. Ayun na. Yanga. Pass to LA for 3. No. Rebound by Rael. Pass to Novio. Here come Coach Alvin. May tangan ng bola. Alvin, pass to Patrick. Patrick. Ang lalim yan. Rebound by Cardenas. Pass to LA. LA to Jeng. Jeng with the cross. Ayan na, naipit. Steal by Rael. Here comes Novio. 2 against 2. Cachapero. Basket na naman para sa defending champion. 10-0. Ang ating talaan. Here comes LA and gets the foul. Number 29, Rombines. Oh, another steal para kay Shaq. 2 against 1. Shaquille all the way. Basket is good. Timeout dito ang Black Ducks. Wow. Magandang panimula para sa defending champion. Tingnan natin ang timeout doon ng Black Ducks. Time remaining 7 minutes and 28 seconds. Thank you. Okay, back to the ball game. Bola rito ng Black Ducks. Official score 12-0 in favor of the defending champion. Diola. John, may tangan na bola. Pass to Paul. Paul, running shot, no good. Rebound. Yanga with a putback. And a first basket para kay Joe Yanga sa ating championship game. Here comes Alvin. Alvin binigay. Pass to Rombines from elbow 3. Short. out of bounds. Last touch, same ball. From second shot, lock to shoot. Here comes Patrick. Looking for his teammate. Bibigay kanino kay Rayel. Nabitawan. Here comes Rombines for a basket. It's good. Rombines. Ayan na si LA. At iyan sa Niyoyo. Wala. Rebound by Patrick. Novio waiting for his teammate. Pass to Shock. Here comes Shock. Stop and pump and gets the foul. By John Diola. On the free throw area, jersey number 20. Oh, sorry, that's not jersey number 10. That is Shaquille Arshaga. On the free throw area. For a shot para kay Shaquille, in and out. Second shot for Shaquille. Arshaga, wala. Rebound by Joe. Here comes John. Yola. Setting on the screen. Yola. Uy, bad pass. Bola dito ng defending champion. Time remaining 6 minutes and 12 seconds. Here comes Alvin. Alvin. Binigay kay... Oh! 3-point! Nandito na rin pala si former Kagawan. SK. Earl Gonzalez. Another steal. Arshaga for 3! Ayan na! Nagse-celebrate na! Si Arshaga for down 3-point. Here comes Jeng. Chodoro, backdoor pass to Paul for 3, in and out. Rebound by Rayel. Pass to Alvin. Novio. May tangan ng bola. Novio, binigay kay Patrick. Patrick from elbow 3, no. Rebound by Jeng. Chodoro. Pass to John. Jump shot. No good. Rebound. Makukuha rito ni Alvin. Outlet pass to Rayel. Rayel with a post. Tumira. Wala. Rebound by Cardenas. Pass to Joe. Yaga. Kayla Inararo. Bad pass. Still. Makukuha ni Paul and gets the foul. Oh, correction. That's a travel. Back to the ball game tayo. Bola rito ng defending champion. Nico, pinasok pa rin sa loob. Here comes Alvin. Alvin, running shot. No. Rebound. Makuha ni Carden. Jola. Oh, steal by Nico. Melo Cotton. Didiskarte. Here comes Melo Cotton. Pass to Alvin. Alvin, top of the key for 3. No. Rebound by Nico. Pass to Rombines. Sorry, that's Gonzalez. Alvin, pass to Patrick from elbow. No. Rebound. Makuha. Tobis. Here comes Kenneth. Tobis, bounce pass. Here comes Jola. Pinagay. Peter. No. Rebound. Makuha ni De La Guera. Pass to Earl. To Alvin. Sabi ni Alvin, wait lang daw. Ayan na. Alvin setting on the play. Pass to Earl. Pinagay sa loob at the post. Patrick. Tumira. Ayusin Douglas. Basket is good. 22-2 in favor of the defending champion. Here comes Jola. Pass to Kenneth. Kenneth from elbow 3. No. Rebound by Melo Cotton. Here comes Nico. Nico Nioyo. Wala. Rebound. Ako pa rin ni Nico. Nabitawan. Steal by Kenneth. Here comes Tobis. Tobis nagmamadali. Side step. Up and under. Wala. Good defense para sa defending champion. Out of bounds. Time remaining 3 minutes and 6 seconds. 22-2. Nico Melocoton, may tanga ng bola. Nico, pass to Abril. Pass to Earl. Earl from elbow 3, short. Rebound by Villamayor. Pass to Diola. To Jeng Jeng. Chodoro and gets the foul. Shooting the line, jersey number 14. Jeng Jeng Chodoro. First shot para kay Jeng Jeng is good. Second shot. Jeng Jeng, no rebound by Patrick. Bola dito. Nico. Melo Cotton. Pinasa kay De La Guerra at the middle. Binigay kay Patrick from elbow 3. No rebound by Jola. Jola to Peter. Lozano, pass to Jola. Jola setting on the play. Jola, binigay. Lozano, binigay sa corner. Here comes Chodoro. Stop and pop using the board. No, rebound by Patrick. Pass to RJ. Abril, pass to Patrick. Patrick, and gets the foul. Foul number 17, that is Peter Lozano or PR Lozano. Bola rito ng defending champion. Here comes Nico. Melo Cotton setting on the play. Nico, binigay. Pass to Nico. Nico. Naka-event, spin move, nabitawan, out of bounds. Bola rito, mapupunta sa defending champion. 3-second shot clock to shoot para sa defending champion. 1 minute and 52 seconds tayo. Ayan na, De La Guerra looking for teammate, pass to Nico. Nico, stop and pop, using the glass. Basket is good. 24-3 in favor pa rin. Ayan na si Boski, pinasok na rin para sa defending champion. Jola to Jeng Jeng. Jeng Jeng, basket count and 1 para kay Jeng Jeng. Chidoro. Time out. On that second personal foul, and that is a second team foul. Timeout dito ang defending champion. On the free throw area for a 3-point play. Bonus shot, Jeng Jeng Chodoro. Basket is good. Official score 24-6. 1 minute and 35 seconds. Shaquille Arciaga with the ball. Pinasa. Here comes RJ. Pull up. Jumper. No. Rebound by Diola. John, pinas sa corner. Here comes Tobis. Tobis, block. Tobis again. No, rebound. Makuha ni De La Guera and gets the foul. Foul number 3. Tobis. Arsiaga. Pinigay. Here comes De La Guera. Blocked by Tobis. Outlet pass. Pass to Jeng. Chodoro with the ball. Pass to Peter. No rebound by RJ. Here comes RJ. Abril from 3. Basket is good. 3 points para kay RJ Abril. PR, pass to Jeng. Wala. Rebound by Patrick Cachapero. Pass to Arsiaga. Shaquille. Inuubos ang oras. Last 21 seconds. Arsiaga. Ay na. Binigay sa corner. Bobos for 3. Boy, para kay Boski. Chodoro babawi sa 3 and gets the 3. Nagkakasagutan sa 3 points. RJ for 3. Oh! And that's the end of our first quarter. Official score at 30-9. In favor pa rin sa defending champion. Alright, tayo dadako na sa ating second quarter. Lamang pa rin po dito ang defending champion. Ayan, muli maraming pong salamat sa lahat ng sumusuporta ng ating live. Nandiyan ang Fox, ang JND Alob Sizzling Hub. Kasama rin natin ang Kukuru Charity Program by Sir Bien and Legarda. And syempre, nandiyan ang TGIF, ang new champion ng ating Juniors Division. And syempre, nandiyan ang ALX Cargo Logistic Corporation. Alright. Yo! Second quarter tayo. Let's go. Ienza. Pass to Kenneth. Pass to Joe. Pinigay. Uy, drop pass. Here comes Villamayor and gets the foul. On the free throw area, jersey number 88. That is Bien Villamayor. Second shot is good for Villamayor. 30-10. Lamang pa rin ang defending champion, Alvin. Ayan na si Alvin and gets the foul. Wala, di ka kita. De La Guera. No, rebound. Rayel Parada with a putback. 32-10. Cardenas, pass to Kenneth, pinasa loob, here comes Rayel. Oh, sorry, that's Bien. Pass to Paul Cardenas for 3. Basket is good for Cardenas. Alvin, pass to Nico. Pinasa sa corner, here comes Shaquille. Oopsie. And that's a step in on the line. Tobis, Diskarte. Tobis. Pass to Villamayor. Villamayor, running shot. No, rebound. Rep. Pass to Paul. Cordenas for 3. No. And out of bounds. Eight minutes and 20 seconds. Alvin. Novio. Pass to Arsiaga. Shot. Shaquille. Ayan na. Top of the key. 4-3. Short. Rebound by Joe. Ooh. And gets the foul. Time remaining 8 minutes and 3 seconds. Foul dito si Nico Melocoton. Nico Villamayor, what a cut! And what a pass para kay Kenneth Tobis. 32-15. Pass to Patrick. Cachapero setting on the play. Cachapero, isolation, binigay. Alvin libre sa 3. No. Rebound by Villamayor. Pass to LA. Here comes Atienza. Pass to Joe. Ayan na. Kick out. Tobis for 3. No. Rebound by Rayel. Pass to Arsiaga. Here comes Shaquille, derecho, and gets the foul. Yeah, shooting the line, jersey number 10, Shaquille Arsiaga. 7 minutes and 16 seconds ang ating talaan. First shot para kay Shaquille. Basket is good. Second shot for Shaquille. Basket. 34-14. Lamang pa rin po ang defending champion. Here comes Jola. Jola. Pass to. Uy, bad pass. Pass to Paul. Here comes Cardenas. Pinigay. Bounce pass to Villamayor. Catch and shoot. Basket is good. 17-34 ang ating talaan. Alvin Novio setting on the screen. Here comes Novio. Novio to Shaq. Top. Nabisawan. Here comes Paul. Paul all the way. Basket is good. Para kay Paul. Cardenas. Time out dito. Ang Bad Boys. Time remaining 6 minutes and 34 seconds. Tingnan natin ang huddle ng defending champion. Eddie tol, Eddie. Hindi na ako nakakababa. Balas, game naman eh.
Nakiinom ko, lalat ako.
Saan? Hindi ko alam eh. Di ba uminom yung sa Okay, back to the ball game. 6 minutes and 34 seconds sa ating first half. Novio, may tanga na bola. Here comes Novio. Novio, ayan na. Umatake, up and under, wala. Rebound, makukuha ni Cachapero. Here comes Patrick, crossover. Cachapero, pull-up jumper, wala. Rebound. Ray L, no. Rebound, makuha ni LA. Here comes Atienza. Atienza for 3, no. Rebound. Here comes Novio, may tanga ng bola. Novio, binigay sa post. Out of bounds, same ball. Shaquille, naka-recover. Here comes Ray L, too strong. Out of bounds. Black ball. Here comes John. Yola, may tanga ng bola. Looking for his teammate. Pass to Joe. Yanga with the ball. Binigay. Villamayor. Ayan na. High post. Tumira. And gets a foul. And one. Basket count and one para kay Villamayor. Bien. 34-21. Ball shot for a 3-point play. Bien. Villamayor. Basket is good. 5 minutes and 21 seconds para sa ating first half. Alvin, may tanga ng bola. There comes Alvin. Setting on the screen. Alvin, umatake. Using the glass. Wala. Rebound, makakuha ni LA. Ayan na. Here comes Paul. Paul, umatake. Wala. Last touch. Same ball. Bola dito ng Black Ducks. John Jola looking for his teammate. Binigay sa post. This a foul. Number 34. That's Rayel Parada. Binigay ulit. Yanga Inararo sa loob. Ayan na. 24-34, babasa 10 ang Kalamangan ng defending champion. Here comes Earl. Binigay, Ray L with fake. Oy, hook shot, no. Rebound, makuha. Nijo. Oy, pass to LA. To Jola. Bounce pass. LA. Binigay sa corner. From elbow 3, Paul, wala. Rebound by Alvin Novio. Pass to Shaq. To Alvin. Alvin to Rayel. Pass to Alvin. Ayan na. Tumira. Wala. Rebound. Rayel using the board. Basket is good. 36-24. Balik sa 12 ang Kalamangan ng defending champion. Here comes Paul. Pass to Bien. To Jola, pass to LA from the corner, no. Rebound, Villamayor, wala pa rin. LA with the rebound to get the shot, no. Rebound na naman ni LA. Pass to Kampol, 4-3, wala. Rebound by Joe. Here comes Yanga. Pass to Villamayor. Top of the key, 4-3, short. But this time, makakuha na ni Alvin. 2 against 1, Shaquille. Umatake, one-handed pull-up, wala. Rebound by Paul Cardenas. Paul, pass to Villamayor. Binigay. Ayan na, si Jola. Libre doon. Baba sa 10 ang lamang ng defending champion. 26-36. Here comes Earl Gonzalez, didiskarte. Pass to Shaq. Top of the key for 3. Bang! 3-point para kay Shaquille Arsiaga. 39-26. Balik sa 13 ang Kalamangan. ng defending champion. Jola. Pass to Villamayor. Catch and shoot. No! Rebound. Makuha ni Alvin. Ayan na, nagmamadali. 3 against 2. Novio, kick out. Libre sa 3. Si Shaquille. Bang! Nagliliyap na sa 3. Shaquille Arzaga. Time out dito ang Black Ducks. Time remaining 2 minutes and 15 seconds. Tingnan muna natin ang huddle ng Black Ducks. Alright, back to the ball game. Time remaining 2 minutes and 15 seconds sa ating first half. Bola rito ng mga laki team. Here comes John. Diola with the ball, binigay sa corner. Here comes PR. PR basket para kay PR. Lozano. 28-42. Lamang pa rin ang defending champion. Novio binigay. Here comes RJ. RJ, pass to De La Guera. RJ, catch and shoot. No. Rebound. De La Guera, drop pass. Here comes at the post. Offensive foul by Ray El Parada. Shoutout po sa ating mga score manager. Ayan, mabuhay ka, idol. Ating mga maintenance sa ating court. Kaya napakaganda nito. Dahil sa kanila. Ayan, saludo kami sa inyo. Alright, back to the ball game. Here comes Jeng. Binigay. Villamayor, wala. Rebound by De La Guera. Pass to Alvin. Alvin binigay. RJ Abril for 3. Wala. Rebound by Kenneth. Tobis gustong makabawi. Side step up and under. Basket is good. 42-30. Baba sa 12 ang kalamangan ng defending champ. Ayan na si Arzaga. Meron na lamang tayo natitirang 1 minuto sa ating first half. Arzaga setting on the screen. Arzaga, bibigay. Ayan na, uy! It's a lifting violation. Time remaining, last 50 seconds ng ating first half. 42-30. 12-point lead for defending champion. Here comes Chodoro. Chodoro, it gets a foul. Tangerine, Bad Boys under penalty situation. Let's in the line, jersey number 14, Jeng and Chodoro. First shot para Jeng. Basket is good. Last 41.6 seconds na lamang po ang natitira sa ating first half. Second shot for Jeng. Ayan na. Basket is good. Babasa 10 ang kalamangan ng mga Tangerine. Arzaga setting on the play. Laban na siya ni Kenneth. Ayan na si RJ. RJ drop pass, steal by Jeng. Rep. Thank you. Okay, thank you lang. Thank you po. Last 23 pa po ito ha. Shaquille, binigay sa corner. Here comes De La Guera, using the board. Wala, rebound. And out of bound. It's a lane violation according sa ating official. Ayan na, humahabol na. Oh! May tawag ang ating referee doon. Warning po. For sportsmanship behavior. Last 17 seconds. Warning dito si Abriel. Kung papalitan na siya dito ni Bobos. Ayan na, binigay. Here comes LA. Binigay. Jodoro with a pull-up. No, rebound by De La Guerra. And there's a official timeout. Time remaining. Last 5.7 seconds remaining. Hoping na maging okay rito si Idol Shaquille. 5.7 seconds na lamang po ang natitira sa ating laban. Thank you po sa ating standby medic. Si ating kagawad Renante Blanco at sa kanyang team for our safety. Last 5.7 seconds remaining. Bola rito ng defending champion. Sino kaya? Maititira kaya? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oy, what a steal para kay Kenneth! At dito na po nagtatapos ang ating first half. Official score, 42-32 at the half. Lamang pa rin po ang defending champion. Alright, magkakat muna tayo for the meantime at magbabalik para sa ating third quarter. Muli maraming pong salamat sa lahat ng sumusuporta ng ating live. Nandiyan ang TGIF, Tangerine, The Kukuryo Cosmetic, and for corporation by Sir Bien Legarda and Sir Benito Legarda. And nandiyan ang ALX Cargo Logistic. At syempre nandiyan ang Fox. Ayan, syempre, di rin natin makakalimutan ang GNB Alob Sizzling Hub by Coach Kobe Pedragosa. Magbabalik tayo sa second half. Magkakat muna tayo ha. Maraming salamat po.